Today we are going to try to make carrot bottom tops. And so one of us thinks that it will not spin. One of us thinks that it will spin, but not a lot. And so we're going to try it and see what happens. This is a corn. Let me hold it. Let me open that up. A corn thing. So it's used to put on either end of the corn when you're eating it, so you don't get your fingers dirty. But I think it might make a nice top for the carrot. And then we got a knife here. I'm gonna cut off the tail, the carrot tail, and then poke a toothpick. I wish I had a metal toothpick, but I don't. So hopefully this will survive going into the carrot, and then we will see if it will work. Alright, that's the plan.
Why'd you take my knife?
Because I needed to cut the tail off the carrot.
And you didn't want to use the knife that you ground?
Yeah. It was because I'm sitting here.
What does that mean?
I'm sitting here and it was the closest one. Okay, so there we go. We cut the tail off the carrot. We have to try to center this. So we're trying to get some balance because we realize, see, it is not symmetric. It is a little off balance. But we're saying, okay, we're going to go with it anyway. And then we put the toothpick up the center. The question is, will the carrot top spin? Alright, what do you think, bud? Will the carrot top spin? Whoa, that is already off balance. That's kind of really crooked. Hey, don't shoot me. Yeah, that's pretty crooked. Let's see. Alright, let's try it.
Is that what you were expecting? Were you expecting more?
I don't know. Alright, let's try the other guy. Alright, so that was sort of like fail. Now, okay, this one is pretty bad because it's the one that looks like a face and it has a fang. Okay, where's my other toothpick? All right, let's take this toothpick out. This has done its work. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Make this a little more even. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, this is really kind of crooked. Whoopsie. All right. Okay. The carrot bottom tops. They still look cute, don't they? Don't they look cute? Carrot bottom top. Doesn't work.